All right, folks, we're getting ready to put this backer patch or blind patch. It's called a blind patch repair or a blind hole, meaning you've got a pontoon hull that you can't get to it unless you cut an inspection port somewhere else. So to get the repair, you've got to get a patch inside to work as a backer. So what we did is we take a piece of cardboard, got some woven roving, or you could use fiberglass cloth. You get your box from TotalBoat THIXO PRO, get it all squeezed out and buttered up. And they're going to fly over here. We've got these strings on here. That's what we're going to pull it tight against the inside of the hole once we get in there. You got to make sure your box will fit through your cardboard, so you can put a little fold in it, shape it however you want, so that when it goes through, you can pull it back up and it'll flatten out when you get there. And then once that dries, then you can come back and start layering in layers of cloth to get it built back up to the just under the thickness of the hull and the gel coat. Leave a little bit of spare room for some gel coat to go. We also sand inside of the hole and put a little ring of that thickened epoxy adhesive inside there. So this thing's getting hot, and I mean getting hot to the point where you don't want to be holding it anymore. Exothermic reaction. So we'll turn the video off and we're going to stick that in there, pull it tight with those strings, and then take this little highly calibrated paint stick and use it to hold the strings until this dries, just like we've done on this hole that we've already done next door. So we'll be back with you in a minute. Oops, sorry about that.